Hello friends, in this video we will create a rectangle. For this we need to find rectangle tool which is right at the bottom. See here. Select it by clicking it. Then click at any point in your document and without leaving your mouse just drag. See, there you go, you have created your first shape inside Photoshop. I have told you previously that on the right hand side we have various panels which are for management purpose. I will tell you why I have told you these are for management purpose. Let's explore these panels one by one. At the bottom we have layers panel. If you don't see the layers panel, go to the window menu, select it, make sure your layers panel is checked. Okay, now let's come to layers panel. Here you can manage layers. At the bottom of each panel you can see there are various buttons. Whenever you hover over each button, it is telling you what it is used for. See, delete layer, create a new layer, create a new group, create new fill or adjustment layer. Now one thing you can notice that we have a layer named rectangle 1. This symbolizes this rectangle. Now when we create a new rectangle, a new layer will be created in layers panel named rectangle 2. See, here it is. We have an additional layer named background. This is the background of your document. Now if you don't like the color of the rectangle, you can change it. How? For each layer we have a thumbnail and then we have name. Double click on the thumbnail. Now we have selected rectangle 2 and we want to change the color of rectangle 2. So double click on the thumbnail. See, now we have numerous options. Once you are happy, click the OK button. That's it. You have changed the color of your rectangle. One thing I should tell you that before changing the color or anything, make sure that layer is selected. Say for example, you want to change the color of rectangle 1. You cannot do that by selecting rectangle 2. So you have to come and select rectangle 1. Now double click on the thumbnail. Say you want to make it somewhere around orange. Okay, like this. You can change the color of the rectangle in another way. Here you can see swatches panel. Okay, there are many colors which are already there. Choosing from all of these colors sometimes becomes very difficult because you want some specific color. Okay, so you can do that by using swatches. Swatches are very important whenever it comes to project. I would like to make this orange color and select OK. Right? There is another way of changing color of the rectangle. Under the menu, see, there are many things. What are these? These are the properties of selected layer. See, we have selected rectangle 1. These are the properties of rectangle 1. Width 426 pixel. If you don't like, you can change it. See, I want to make it 450. And I want the height to be 150. See, now we have changed. There are many other things. Stroke, fill. Now you can ask, what is fill? Fill means color. See, change it to blue. So from here also you can change the color. Now you can ask, what is stroke? Stroke means border. This symbol means none. But you can give a stroke. This is blue color. I want to give an orange stroke like this, or red one. Make this stroke bigger to make it noticeable. Okay. You can even change like this. Now it's looking little bit good, but it's okay. You can change it whatever you want. Another thing is that you can provide some default styles which are inside styles panel. See, here is the styles panel. For providing style to your rectangle, make sure your rectangle is selected and select any of the style you want to provide. See, like this, or this, or this. There are many default styles. I like this one. Your choice may be different, but it's okay. This one is also cool, but some roughness is there. It's okay. There are many free styles which you can get from internet. You don't have to worry about that. I will provide you many styles and also provide you links to the resources from where you can download and you can use it. I will tell you regarding all of this later. You don't have to worry about this now. So I am finishing this video here only. In our next video, we will create rounded rectangle and square. Hello friends, in our previous video, we have created a rectangle. Let's save this document. Go to File, then click Save As. Give here your preferred name. I want to give it Simple Rectangle. Whenever you are happy with the name, press the Save button. That's it. Then it is asking for maximizing compatibility, like your PSD files. Okay, press the OK button. That's it. In this video, we will create a square and a rounded rectangle. For this, let's create a new document. Go to New, then press the OK button. First, we will create a square. For this, select rectangle tool. As we can see, it is already been selected. Now, click at any point in your document without leaving your mouse. While dragging, press Shift key. See, now I am not pressing the Shift key. It is rectangular shape, right? Now I will be pressing the Shift key. See, it's a perfect square, isn't it? See? Okay. Whenever you are happy with the size, leave your mouse. Make sure you leave the mouse before leaving the Shift key. Okay? There is another way of creating a square. Just click at any point in your document and leave your mouse. That is just a left click. See? You can see a window popping up asking for width and height. Provide equal height and width. I want to make it say 200 pixel. Width and 200 pixel height. And press the OK button. It is asking whether you want the shape to be created from center. I'm not bothering about it right now. I'll press the OK button. See, it has created a perfect square. Okay. In this way, you can create a rectangle also, but make sure height and width doesn't match. Okay. Now let's create a rounded rectangle. Before creating a rounded rectangle, I need to say something. One thing you can notice that at the right bottom of the rectangle tool, there is a teeny tiny arrow. This means there are some other tools hidden inside the rectangle tool. See, here is the arrow. For revealing them, just click and hold the rectangle tool like this. You can see these hidden tools, isn't it? We have rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, and custom shape tool. We will explore all of these in this part. Now let's create a rounded rectangle. Now, what is the difference between rectangle and rounded rectangle? Rectangle, I mean simple rectangle, have corner radius of 0 pixel. But rounded rectangle have some positive value of corner radius, which is other than 0, means either it could be 1 to infinity, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything but not 0. Let's illustrate it by drawing one rounded rectangle. You can select the rounded rectangle by just clicking it. Okay, now you can see rounded rectangle is active. We have already seen in the previous video this properties menu. Everything is same with the rectangle except we have an additional attribute, that is radius, which is being assigned 10 pixel. This radius means this corner radius. Now it is assigned 10 pixel. So let's create a rounded rectangle now. Click at any point in your document and hold your mouse while dragging. See? Whenever you are happy with the preview, leave your mouse. That's it. You have created your first rounded rectangle inside your document. Here we finish our current video. In our next video, we will create ellipse and circle. Hello friends, in this video we will create an ellipse and a circle. For this we need only ellipse tool, which is hidden inside our rectangle tool. Let's click and hold the rectangle tool to reveal other tools. Here it is. Now we can select the ellipse tool by clicking it. Now let's draw an ellipse. From now on I will use the term draw, which means click at a point and drag. So let's draw an ellipse. Once you are happy with the shape, leave your mouse. There you go. You have created an ellipse. Now let's create a circle. It's very simple. When you are drawing an ellipse, make sure you hold the shift key. See, now I am not holding the shift key. And now I have held the shift key. You can see the difference, isn't it? Once you are happy with the shape, leave your mouse. One thing you should remember, you should leave your mouse before leaving shift key. There is another way of creating an ellipse or circle. Just left click inside your document. There you go. You can see a window popping up asking you for the width and height. If you are drawing a circle, make sure these are equal, means width and height are same. But if you are drawing an ellipse, you can give here any width or shape as per your desire. Okay? So, in this video, we have created an ellipse and a circle. In our next video, we will explore the line tool. Hello friends, in this video, we will explore the line tool. Let's select the line tool. Here it is. Now in the properties you can see an attribute named weight. By default it is 1 pixel. If you increase the weight, its thickness will increase. If you decrease the weight, its thickness will decrease. But whose weight or whose thickness? The line. Let's illustrate by drawing a 1 pixel weight line. Here it is. Now let's increase its weight to 5 pixel. It's 1. Now I will change it to 5 pixel. Now let's draw another line now. See, its weight is increased, isn't it? So we have drawn two lines, one with 1 pixel weight and another with 5 pixel weight. Okay, now just left to weight attribute we have a wheel shaped button. Let's click it. We can see we have an option of arrowhead with two checkboxes, start and end. This means at the start and end point we can have arrowheads. Let's select only start option. Now let's draw a line. See, in the preview only you can notice. Okay. Now again come to the wheel and select the end also. See, now you can notice that at the both ends we have the arrowheads. One thing you can see that these lines are not that straight. In order to draw a straight line, while dragging, make sure you press the shift key like this. See, now I am not pressing the shift key, and now I will press the shift key. See, it's perfect straight, isn't it? Either it could be 45 degree, means minus 45, or plus 45, or 90. This will be always straight if you hold the shift key. That's it. So in this video we have explored the line tool. In our next video we will explore the polygon tool. Hello friends, in this video we will explore the polygon tool. Let's select the polygon tool first. Here it is. Now let's draw a polygon. You can see that we have drawn a polygon with 3 sides. You can ask, can we change the number of sides? Yes, of course. You can see in the properties, we have an attribute named sides. Here you can change the number of sides of a polygon. Let's change to 8 sides. Okay. Now let's draw another polygon. See, now we have 8 sides. One thing you can notice, like line tool, here also we have a wheel shaped button. Let's click it. You can see 2 checkboxes, smooth corners and star. Let's select smooth corners. Now draw a polygon. Okay, with 8 sides you cannot see because it seems like we are drawing a circle, right? But you can see the anchor points. Now let's change the sides, the number of sides to say 4 or 3. Okay. Now let's draw another polygon. You can see the corners are smooth. Here we have drawn a triangle whose corners aren't smooth, but here is one triangle whose corners are smooth. Here is only the difference. We have another option called star. Let's click it. Now let's draw a 3-sided polygon with smooth corners and also star shaped. See? Now let's draw a star without smooth corners with 3 sides only. See? You can see the difference, right? Okay, so in this video we have explored the polygon tool. In our next video we will explore custom shape tool. Hello friends, in this video we will explore custom shape tool. Let's select the tool. Here it is, custom shape tool. Now let's draw a custom shape. See? You can ask from where this shape is coming and can we change the shape? Yes, of course you can. In the properties, you can see an attribute named shape, which also has a drop down menu. Let's click the drop down. See, you have numerous options, means numerous shapes. But not all of these are default. I have downloaded some from the internet. Don't worry, as I have promised, I will share everything with you. I will provide you everything all the links, resources, etc. So don't worry, be happy. Here we finish our current video.